Hi, my name is Osana. I don't like talking in front of a group of people, but the football players and his girlfriend keep telling me to talk, but I don't want to talk. Um, I already told my story at the candlelight, so I don't have much to say. But me and Justice grew up back in the same village, and then we went to the same school. And then I met him at the park the other day, and from there we was always together, walking everywhere together, catching the bus. And he always like pushed me to go hard every day in the weight room, on the football field. And like even this year he didn't play, but after every game he'll come up to me and tell me I'll go somewhere, I'm gonna make it somewhere. And even on Facebook too, he'll always comment me or write me something like inspiring me to go hard every day. I just hate how our last memory was when I seen him that Wednesday, like just laying right there in front of me. Like, I kept telling the police to let me see him because he was just laying there. He kept saying no. And I just hate how it just sticks in me, like it stays in my mind how like just picture him laying there with a lot of blood just coming out. And then just see him here just kills me. But I just got one thing to say, man. I'm gonna hold it down for you. Everything I'm gonna do for you. And I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you a lot. It's gonna be hard to get through this, but I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna do everything for you. I love you, man. I'm gonna miss you.